Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to a Rust tutorial on how to export a transparent PNG from GIMP. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, then I'd really appreciate it. And the next thing that you're going to want to go ahead and do is, so when you have a photo, you need to right click it and then press remove alpha channel. And then as you see, when you do that, the background doesn't, it's like all gray, doesn't have those boxes that say it's transparent. So what you're going to want to do is make sure that the alpha channel is there. So now when I go ahead and delete layer mask and I delete layer and then I go ahead and delete layer, now you'll notice that and I don't know why it's not giving me a background. I think the original picture that I had actually didn't have an alpha channel, so this one's a little messed up. So let's go ahead and find a picture that won't do that. Oh my God, it's because I was drawing, not erasing. Oh my God, I'm so silly. Okay, so once you have the alpha channel on there, you could remove as much of stuff as you like. And as long as you see these squares with like the little black and gray boxes, I'm a little silly. Now, if I were to if I were to go ahead and export this out of my photos, the only thing that would show up is what I leave, right? So then if I were to export this, the picture would be this size still, but this is the only thing that shows up and everything else would be transparent. So that way somebody could put this onto another one of their pictures and it wouldn't have an alpha channel and they may be able to edit all around it or behind it without affecting the picture itself. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to go ahead and leave them down below. Other than that, it's been a GIMP tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching.